people are talking about structured data, and it's been around, structured data, for a long time. Schema.org, there's a website. If you're a small business, don't go to it. It's confusing. But the crux of it is that we need, now that these robots, not just Google search is looking at our site, all these other search engines are looking at our site. What the hell is schema, Andrew? And why should we care about it like right now? It's been here forever. Why now?
Well, technically it's called schema markup, and it's just basically snippets of code that we can, let's say, inject into your website so that portions of your content can show up in, you may have seen it when you do a normal Google search. You see images, of various products or something like that. Well, they only show up, generally speaking, because of the schema markup being done on that particular page or website or product or whatever it might be.
Yep.
And there's all the other features on your traditional Google search. The only way that they'll turn up is by doing schema markup. And it's not, there are various ways to do it, obviously. One of the easiest ways, if you're on WordPress, for example, there's so many different plugins you can get, which can do it virtually automatically for you.
Yeah.
So there's lots of ways to do it, and anybody can really do it, but it can be time consuming. And of course, there are some platforms like Shopify who built all that into the back end of Shopify. So you upload a product, images, all that sort of stuff, all that's taken care of for you.
Yeah.
And it's also about...
You make it sound easy. I guess we've been in the industry for a long time.
Well,
a small business might go, what's a plugin? But
as they say, it's easy when you know how.
But ask who you're working with, or not working with. Maybe ask us, but talk to someone about what you need to do there.
Yep.
Also, I suppose we haven't covered this yet, but when I was talking about intent, and this is a little bit nerdy, but you've got different types of searches. You've got informational searches, which is obviously the AI overview ones, answering people's questions. You've got a commercial intent kind of search, which is probably more towards them buying a product. If you don't have your schema set up, and you don't have your page structure and all these things thought through by an expert, really, then you're sort of installing a plugin and hoping for the best. I mean, that's my take on it anyway.
Yeah, exactly.